Alright folks, picture this, a sleek Italian two-stroke with electric start, Brembo brakes, and a power band smooth enough to make a KTM blush. Sound exotic? That's because it is. Today, we're throwing a leg over the 2025 TM300MX two-stroke, and yeah, we're putting it head-to-head with the KX250 two-stroke to see who really rules the two-stroke jungle in 2025. Let's dig in. First things first, the TM300MX is not your average off-the-shelf smoker. It's built in Italy with that handmade, boutique feel. You get an electric start, carbureted 300 cubic centimeters engine with an electronic power valve and a V-Force 3-reed valve. KYB spring forks up front upgraded, by the way, and a TM-made rear shock. This bike's got some serious pedigree. Price tag? $10,400. Yeah, it's more than a KX250, but you're not buying a Kawi here, you're buying an exotic. Think of it like the Ferrari of two-strokes, you're not just paying for performance, you're paying for flavor. Now compared to the KX250 two-stroke, which is lighter, snappier, and more race-ready out of the box, the TM300MX feels more refined. The power delivery is smooth, predictable. It's a bit slower to hit than a KTM 300 with a KX's punchy 250, but once it gets going, it carries speed like a freight train. It's more of a vet bike, meant to lug for deep loam, not snap your arms off. Our testers upgraded the carb settings, swapped silencers, and did some gearing tweaks, and just like that, the TM300 came alive. More mid-range hit, beefier bottom end, but still that smooth, linear feel. Compared to the KX250, which thrives on high RPM aggression, the TM gives you torque you can work with, especially when you're feeling a little lazy. Racing this at Glen Helen, it felt planted. The suspension updates for 2025. The updated frame, it's clear TM has been hard at work during its US absence. The Brembo front brake and hydraulic clutch feel buttery smooth, a huge step up from the KX's more basic Nissan setup. So who's it for? If you're a younger, aggressive rider chasing hole shots, the KX250 might feel more at home. But if you're a vet rider who wants torque on tap, Italian style, and something different from the sea of green, orange, and blue, the TM300MX is your jam. Welcome back, TM. We missed ya. And hey, if you're gonna spend over 10 grand on a two-stroke, you might as well get one that turns heads in the pits and hauls out on the track. Catch you in the next ride, and don't forget, two strokes forever.